Bold, loud, articulate and cute. Kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love in you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, for this look, as you see, I'm starting off with dirty hair. I am going to actually be using the Uncle Funky's Daughter hair products. So I started off with using their Bye Bye Build Up Cleansing Conditioner. I love this cleansing conditioner because it cleanses your hair and also conditions it while removing any product buildup. It's also infused with rosol clay, avocado oil, and organic aloe vera and coconut oil to gently cleanse and nourish your curls. So next I am using the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. And as you see by my face, I am definitely loving this hair product. I love how this hair mask melts into my hair, and also it makes it easy for me to detangle my hair as well. So now I'm just going to be setting this hair product in my hair for 5 minutes, and this is how my hair looks with it all rinsed out, and it feels very soft, y'all. So next I am going to be going into my travel kit bag, y'all, and I'm going to be using the Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. And yes, y'all, this stuff smells so freaking good. Like, I love this smell. So now I'm just preparing my hair to be styled. I am parting my hair so I can go ahead and do my flat twist. So I am going to be using the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I love this curl stimulator because it is for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. My hair is more on the kinkier, curly side, so it does really well with my hair. So it's supposed to tame your frizz while defining and also elongating and nourishing your curls. So as you see here, I'm just doing a regular schmegular flat twist out, nothing in particular. My parts are kind of crooked, they're not all the way straight, but that's okay because we are going to be unraveling these twists, so it does not have to be all the way perfect. So when I get to the ends of my hair, I just add my purple perm rod in. So I just roll it up and then I just snap it on and proceed with the next part of my hair. So as you see, I'm just repeating the same steps. I'm also brushing my products through because you want to ensure that you get every strand so that your curls can come out well defined. As you see, as I brush the brush through, my curls immediately define and curl up. Oh my gosh. So let me know in the comment box below if you would actually like to see me do a wash and go using these products, because I definitely feel like it'll turn out great. So this is how my hair looks, and I actually slept in these overnight, so I'm just going to be taking it down. So as you see, the curls are at the ends are already defining, so I'm just going to start unraveling my twist. The definition and moisture is crazy, y'all. Like I just love this whole entire line. I've actually used this line before with a braid out, so I knew that my hair was going to actually turn out great. So as you see, the definition is there, the curls are popping, everything is just going the way that I want it to go. So this step here is really optional. You don't necessarily have to pick at your roots, but of course I love to give my hair a little more volume. As you see, I did have volume in my hair, so I do love that. So I'm gonna just add a little more, and I'm going to do it at my roots so that way I won't disturb my curls, and I'm just going to give it a little shape. So this is my finished look. I am so in love. I love the moisture. I love the definition. Just everything about this product line. Check out my description box so you can get a percentage off when you order at unclefunkysdaughter.com.